Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Corsair 140mm fan is probably one of the most crucial components for maintaining optimal thermal performance in your PC, and today we are diving deep into this specific model to determine whether it lives up to the hype and if it's the right choice for your build. We will be looking at its airflow, noise levels, build quality, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. Corsair iCUE QL140 RGB Fan Kit. Get ready to experience breathtaking RGB lighting with the new Corsair iCUE QL140 RGB fans. These fans boast stunning visuals and powerful cooling capabilities, perfect for any PC build. Each fan features 4 distinct lighting zones, with 34 individually addressable RGB LEDs. This creates vibrant, customizable lighting effects on both sides of the fan. The sleek, white fan housing reflects light beautifully, enhancing the brilliance of the RGB LEDs. It also complements other white Corsair components for a cohesive look. Effortlessly manage your RGB lighting with the included lighting node core. It connects easily via USB 2.0 and SATA, minimizing cable clutter and maximizing control through Corsair iCUE software. Unlock a world of dynamic lighting effects with Corsair iCUE software. It allows for stunning animations and synchronization with other iCUE-compatible devices, creating an immersive experience. These fans are not just beautiful, they're powerful too. They spin up to 1250 RPM, delivering up to 50.2 CFM of airflow to keep your system running cool and quiet. What we like. This dual fan kit boasts an impressive 34 individually addressable RGB LEDs per fan, creating captivating light shows. It's easily controlled via Corsair iCUE software, allowing for seamless synchronization with other compatible components. If you're building a high-end PC and want vibrant, customizable lighting, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Right off the bat, these fans look spectacular. The ability to not just change the outer ring, but the inner ring is great on its own, but you can go even further as they've divided the zones into front and back as well. This means you can really get crazy with the lighting effects and combos, which is something Corsair has done very well over the years. There are 34 total LEDs per fan, which is just insane to think about. The fans themselves operate up to 1500 RPM, which isn't the fastest by far, but will be good enough for most. They aren't terribly noisy for the most part, although they're noticeable at their highest speed, but then again, most fans are going to be noticeable when cranked all the way up. I had these on an AIO radiator and they performed just fine, keeping temps on an AMD 3600X pretty reasonable, even under a constant Cinebench load. If you want the best airflow for cooling, Noctua is the best hands down. If you want the RGB and the cool look but want very good cooling, these are the best. These are pricey but Corsair stands by their product and they are excellent. Plus if you get the dual pack, it comes with the lightning node and it is so easy to install. Take it from someone who knows, and these things are quiet, even at high speeds, and they look beautiful. Number 4. Corsair LL140 RGB Fan. Get ready to experience vibrant lighting and powerful cooling. This fan is designed to enhance your PC's aesthetics and performance. It features 16 independent RGB LEDs, split between 2 light loops for stunning visual effects. Prepare to be amazed by the customizable lighting options. It's the perfect expansion for your existing LL140 RGB setup with a Lighting Node Pro. Easily integrated into your current system. With PWM fan control, it dynamically adjusts speed from 600 to 1300 RPM. This means you can minimize noise or maximize airflow as needed. The 140mm fan blade is engineered for low noise operation without sacrificing performance. Enjoy both quiet operation and efficient cooling. It boasts a 51.5 CFM airflow rate, operates at 7V, 13.2V, and uses a hydraulic bearing for smooth, long-lasting operation. See the user guide for detailed instructions. What we like. With 16 independent RGB LEDs, it offers stunning lighting effects, but requires a separate controller. Its PWM control allows for precise speed adjustments, balancing performance and quiet operation. If you need an additional fan for your existing Corsair setup and prioritize quiet performance, this is a great option. What people say. The lighting is amazing, they are super bright and really light my case up well. These are in my opinion the best and brightest RGB fans out there. The fans not only look fantastic, but they are a lot quieter than the stock fans. Number 3. Corsair LL140 RGB Fan Pack. Get ready to experience vibrant, customizable lighting with the Corsair LL140 RGB fans. These fans bring stunning RGB illumination to your PC build. Each fan boasts 16 independent RGB LEDs, split across 2 light loops for mesmerizing visual effects. Customize your lighting to match your style. It delivers a powerful 51.5 CFM of airflow to keep your components cool, all while maintaining a whisper-quiet 25 dBA noise level. With PWM fan control, it dynamically adjusts speeds from 600 RPM to 1300 RPM. This allows you to balance noise and cooling performance perfectly. The 140mm fan blades are designed for low-noise operation without sacrificing performance. Experience the perfect blend of power and silence. Use the included Corsair iCUE software to easily customize your RGB lighting effects and fan speeds. It's simple to create a truly unique look. What we like. This dual pack comes with a Lighting Node Pro for easy RGB control. The PWM functionality enables you to fine-tune fan speeds for optimal cooling and noise levels. If you're looking for a complete, ready-to-use RGB lighting solution for your system, this is it. What people say. Amazing lighting effects. They look super cool when you sync them with other RGB components. I love the pong effect in iCUE, it's pretty much why I got my attention to buy these fans. The fans pull a good amount of air. If your case has good airflow already and you are looking for some RGB decent airflow fans, this should be your pick. Fans and RGB controller wiring easy to install. iCUE software from Corsair is top-notch. Fans are silent with good air movement and look amazing. Number 2. Corsair iCUE SP140 RGB Elite. Experience the ultimate in cooling and customization with these stunning fans. Its unique design ensures efficient airflow, keeping your system cool and quiet. These fans feature AirGuide technology. This directs airflow for improved cooling, no matter how you mount them. With 8 individually addressable RGB LEDs, it creates captivating lighting effects. Customize your system's look with vibrant colors and patterns. The included lighting node core makes controlling the RGB lighting a breeze. Simply connect it via USB 2.0 and SATA for seamless integration with Corsair iCUE software. Unlock the full potential of your lighting with the powerful Corsair iCUE software. Synchronize the lighting with all your other compatible products for a unified look. These fans are custom designed for maximum performance. They operate as quietly as 18 dBA while delivering high airflow. Control the fan speed with PWM, ranging from 450 RPM to 1200 RPM. It pushes up to 68.1 CFM of air with 1.66 mm H2O of static pressure. What we like. It features AirGuide technology for enhanced cooling and boasts 8 individually addressable RGB LEDs. The fan operates quietly at just 18 dBA while delivering high airflow. If you prioritize quiet, efficient cooling and striking RGB effects, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Works great with Corsair's iCUE software and they are pretty quiet. These fans were perfect for my air cooler for nice feel sturdy as heck and are so much quieter than the originals. After installation the fans run smoothly and silently. Number 1. Corsair iCUE SP140 RGB Elite. It's the perfect addition to any PC build. Its unique design ensures efficient cooling, no matter the setup. This innovative technology directs airflow for superior cooling performance. It's equally effective as intake or exhaust. Expand your existing Corsair RGB Elite cooled system with this additional fan. Enjoy seamless integration and stunning visuals. With 8 individually addressable RGB LEDs, it creates vivid lighting effects. Customize it with the powerful Corsair iCUE software. The translucent, low-noise blade is custom designed for maximum performance. It delivers high airflow while showcasing the RGB lighting. It operates quietly at just 18 dBA. Control its speed from 450 RPM to 1200 RPM for optimal cooling. What we like. This single fan incorporates AirGuide technology for superior cooling and features 8 individually addressable RGB LEDs. It delivers impressive airflow while maintaining a quiet operation. If you need a powerful single fan to complement your existing setup, this is a great addition. What people say. Even at low RPM, it blows a lot of air, and of course fits in well with the white and Corsair intensive theme of my build. Fits a gaming PC build well. Not too loud, works well. Beautiful and silent even when at top RPM. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.